Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP has shown a nice reaction to the larger support zone that I've been tracking here over the last few months actually. I think this support zone has been on the chart definitely since the end of last year, and the price has reacted multiple times and now again, okay? But we haven't really made a new high yet, okay? We broke above the trend line that we talked about. We have a reaction from that area close to the 78.6 retracement. However, there is structural resistance in this region around 56, 57 cents, around these previous swing highs. We haven't seen the price break above it yet. Okay, so that's clear. There is some structural resistance. We had resistance here before in February this year as well in the same area. So it seems to be quite relevant. The area around 56 cents. So that's the bigger picture. The bigger picture allows for the interpretation that that the X wave, okay, of a larger C wave in this triangle, and we talked about that in yesterday's video only, that this X wave is complete, and the price might now be moving up in wave Y. I can show you that also for anybody who's new on the channel. I show you that on the long-term chart. By the way, you get access to these live charts as silver and gold members if you're interested. Then you always see if there are any changes and updates. In recent months, there wasn't really much for to do on the XRP chart, I have to say. But obviously still I'm tracking it in case something interesting happens. When we see a reaction to a support region like this, then it is noteworthy but not really exciting until we see a 5-wave pattern, because even rallies on the XRP chart, if they are 3-wave structures like this one was, it's a corrective move up, it often leads to a strong downtrend again. Anyway, XRP, by the way, doesn't like to move in 5 waves, and 5 waves are needed for clarity on these charts. In summary, in brief. Well, the idea is that this X wave might have bottomed on 5th of July. We're now possibly in the C wave of the triangle that can send us above $1. Conditions, there are conditions obviously. So with every step on the micro count or on the micro charts, I give you the relevant support levels that need to hold to keep this scenario alive. I'm not strongly leaning towards it because I know that XRP often looks like it rallies and then it breaks down again. So it just means be on the side of caution with XRP, especially because it produces so many fake outs. First of all, let's see if we can get above that area around 56, 57 cents. It's very important. And anyway, what I wanted to show you, we are possibly forming an ABC structure here in wave Y of the larger C wave. And yeah, just to give you a bit of context here, the C wave is one of the waves of the triangle. We could get another D and another E afterwards and then break down. It is also possible that at this point, a wave 4 triangle finishes and we rally higher. So it's just something to observe. I'm not saying we have to break down, but the point is that the next move down, if there is a C wave, and then we come down in wave D, well, that's a key pivot, key decision point. But we're not there yet. We focus on what we see right now. And at the moment, the short-term trend is up, you could say. Short-term trend is up. In yesterday's video, I highlighted to you, we only have 3 waves up. It reacted to the 55.9 cent level, which is the 200%. So that's a 200% FIB extension. We got rejected there, moved down. And yeah, as I said, this is a wave 4 support zone. So as long as we're holding 47.7 cents, the focus could technically be on higher prices. And the idea would be that if we get a 4th wave, which is healthy, like as an ABC structure, then the 5th wave could send us to 59.5 or 61.9 cents. Important is that if we see any direct breakout from here, it's likely still an extension of the 3rd, because I prefer to see a more healthy 4th wave. At the moment, this is how I track it primarily. A wave could be a small B wave now, and then one more low in wave C. This is support, and a break below 47.7 cents increases the risk that we might have, topped overall, okay? That we might have topped overall and that this was just a 3-wave rally. But as long as we're holding 47.7, I mean, the focus can be on higher. That's the level that keeps us safe, okay? Like, we always need a level that keeps us safe. Yeah, if this is turning into an impulse, we should really see the price hold that 50% FIB level. Now, if we extend higher in the 3rd, I will have to adjust the support region. But for now, I assume we're in the 4th until the market puts another upside extension in. That wouldn't really change the structure. It would just be another extension in this 3rd wave. But then as well, we have to watch 59.5 cents, 61.9 as next levels. And we already touched the micro support region here. So it's possible the low is in, whether that's the main wave 4 or a smaller degree. But as I said, if it happens from here, I would rather assume this is an extension of the 3rd. Yeah, but so far not much happened since yesterday. We get clarity on this chart if we really get the 5-wave move up. Until then, this could easily still break down. So it's less predictive until we get 5 waves up. That's my update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.